Hey, Tyler K here. We're going to be flying the Traxxas Aton drones today, and I'll show you guys how to get started with these. Here's the drone. But yeah, it's basically just a line of sight drone, and you have to watch everywhere it goes, and you just hook a GoPro up to it to get the video footage. But right, let's get started. All right, guys. First, turn your GoPro on. Get that mounted. Then when you got your GoPro on, turn on the controller and plug in the battery. And you'll see this light starts blinking. Then you can hold in the right bumper and push down the right stick, and then you're in sport mode. That's what I like to fly in. And you see these lights are blinking. You wait till they all get solid all the way across, and then you know you have a GPS lock. So you just wait for that. Oh, we got GPS locked. Now, you just hold down this button to take off. Oh, forgot to turn the GoPro on. You got to turn the GoPro on. Then you can take off. That's how you do it. as you guys probably saw in the video, I had to stop and land because I didn't shut this. I just had this open, and you're supposed to close this when you fly it. Close the latch. So keep that in mind if you're ever flying a Traxxas Aton, that you have to close that latch for the battery. But yeah, overall a good flight. It didn't crash, didn't hit anybody, so it was fun. All right, see you guys later.